Hello guys, today I'm going to show the top 5 best video editing laptops to buy in 2018. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the Acer Aspire 5. The Acer Aspire 5 is the cheapest laptop on this list, coming in at around $600, but offers some really great value for the price. The build quality and design of the laptop is good. It comes in a fully plastic build with a texturized matte finish on the back and front, some metal accents that look neat, and comes in one color which is black. Overall, it looks and feels good and is nicely sized as well. The display on this is a 15.6-inch Full HD LED panel that for a LED panel looks surprisingly good. You get accurate colors and contrast on this, but has poor viewing angles. The performance on this is excellent. It comes with the Intel Core i5-8250 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce MX150. These specs will give you some great overall performance, but will also let you do some pretty solid gaming and editing at 1080p resolution. Number 4 on the list is the Asus TUF FX504. The Asus TUF FX504 is one of the only good 8th gen mid-range gaming laptops you can buy right now at $700. The build quality and design of the laptop is quite good for a laptop that is made for gaming. It has a mostly plastic build, but it still looks quite good with its brush finish and colored accents. Other than that, it is also quite thin and light if you compare it to some other gaming laptops. The display on this is good, but not great. It is a 15.6-inch Full HD TN panel that gives out decent looking colors and contrast, good sharpness and poor viewing angles. The specs on this are great, including an Intel Core i5-8300H processor, 8GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050. Performance because of this is very good, with it being able to play any game out there and also edit videos with a good experience. So number 3 on the list is the Dell XPS 13. The Dell XPS 13 at around $1,200 is a great all-around laptop and could just be one of the best all-around ultrabooks you can buy right now. The design and build quality of the laptop is excellent. You get a very thin and light form factor, which is very good looking. The display on this is also great. It is a 13-inch Full HD IPS panel that looks great with really accurate colors and contrast, great viewing angles, thin bezels, and good sharpness. The display could be one of the most accurate laptop panels out there and should be great for editing photos and videos. The specs on this include the Intel Core i7-8550U processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB M2 SSD. Because of these specs and the really fast SSD, you get very snappy performance, and the laptop is also capable of doing some medium to heavy editing as well. Number 2 on the list is the Asus VivoBook S15. The Asus VivoBook S15 is a great portable ultrabook for under $820. Its build and design is some of the best you'll find. It comes with a full metal body with a very premium look and feel to it. It is also one of the most portable laptops on this list, being quite a bit thinner and lighter as compared to others, with these specs making it a lot easier to carry around everywhere. The display on the laptop is also really great. It is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display that will give you accurate colors and contrast, good sharpness and viewing angles. This will also let you edit in scenarios requiring color accuracy and is an overall very good panel. The specs on this include the Intel Core i7-8550U processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, plus a 1TB hard drive, and the Nvidia GeForce MX150. Editing on this isn't an issue at all, and it should handle almost every editing software without a problem. So number 1 on the list is the Dell G7. The Dell G7 is one of the newest laptops in Dell's gaming laptop lineup, and this seems to be one of their best out there at $1,200. Its build quality and design is nothing too impressive, but is still pretty solid. It isn't very flashy like many other gaming laptops and looks more like a traditional laptop. It also comes in a few different colors, and the combination of metal and plastic looks and feels premium. The display is yet again another big plus point for the laptop. It is 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display that looks great with great sharpness, good looking colors, and great viewing angle. Performance has to be the best aspect on this without a doubt. You get some beefy specs on this that include the Intel Core i7-8750H processor, 16GB of RAM, a 128GB SSD plus a 1TB hard drive, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060. These specs are some of the best I have seen on a laptop and should pretty much let you edit anything at any resolution without any issue. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.